Hello, welcome to another stream. Friday, I have a game night. I feel super tired, but hopefully at some point I'm just gonna feel more awake. So what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be playing something called Bandit. How do I get not what I want? Setting up my screen here, and I want you guys to be a group. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna be playing Bandit. I already did the first few levels yesterday, I think. But I actually cheated and pretty much just used the walkthrough on every single level. I thought about it, and I think it's gonna be a better learning experience if I try to Google stuff myself, and then as I get stuck, then I'll go to the walkthrough. So I think that'll be a little bit better. And hopefully my headache goes away because it'd be super cool if we could just do all of this. Then we'll see. Probably I'm gonna get tired before then, but we'll find out. So let's start. I think one of the first things I should do is I should show you, I actually made myself an alias here. Uh, Let me see. I did some aliases here for advance. No, no more. I'm gonna make a yes. Oh, right. I didn't make an alias. So I made a function called advance where I put where I'm gonna SSH into. I put an SSH command. I put the port I'm gonna, I guess the the host and the username into where I'm SSHing, the port, everything. And then since it's a function, I'm actually injecting a variable into here. So what I can actually do is say advance 0, and that's gonna say, all right, please give me the password for advance 0. Sorry, we should go here. And the password here is pretty simple. It's just bandit 0. Nice. And so, okay, let's go for an ls. We're gonna go for a cat readme. I think I should turn off the system notifications because it's loud. We're gonna copy this. Now we're gonna exit out of here. We're gonna say advance 1. So we're essentially grabbing the password from the files in here. Now, since this is a dash, if you try to cat dash, that's not going to work because it's going to think that you're trying to put a flag. Same as maybe you want to say, when you say grep, you might say -a, -b. So that's the official operator for how to put flags. So that's why this isn't working. But what we can do is we could treat this the same way we treat executables, where we say, please from this directory, run this file. And then we get our friend. Very easy. Once again, we go exit. We're going to say advance 2, I believe now. We're speeding through this. Nice. So let's go to ls. Spaces in this file name, still easy. We're going to say cat. Wrap this thing in quotes. So then this way we can grab what we need. As always, we exit. We go advance 3. So it looks good. It looks like I still remember everything we did. CD in here, ls. Do ls -a. Yeah, so now there's a hidden file. So what we want to do, same thing as always, we say cat.hidden, not ls. We grab our friend here, we copy and we exit. We advance to level 4. That's our password. We know what it is. All right, so we're gonna do cd in here, ls. Now there's a bunch of files, and I remember that the instruction here is that only some of them are human readable. So if I remember correctly, I think if we do find, that actually shows the kind of file that we're looking at. And if we say -f, I think that's enough. Well, actually, let's go find. Oh, that's not find, sorry. It's file. And let's just do star. So wait, file dash file 00. I thought it was they gave us the file type. Interesting. So let's first go cat file 00. Oh, right. Okay, so we're experiencing the same issue as before. We're gonna say cat dot file 0, and that should be fine. Now we ran into the same issue as in the previous chapter, so now we're gonna say file dot boom star. There we go. And so we know that file 7 is the only one that's composed of an ASCII character. So we want to go look at file 7. There's our password. Easy stuff for now. We've gone through this. We say advance to 5, I believe. Paste our password. I think this is where it starts to get more interesting. So we go into in here, we go ls. Now there's lots of stuff going in here, and let's go into cd maybe here. Sorry, cd maybe here 00. And so there's a shit ton of files here. Now, let's see what the instructions are for level 5. They're human readable, they're this long bytes, and they're not executable. Okay, let's go back up. And if I remember correctly, we can say file. So if I remember correctly, it's star. We do star star. That gives us everything. If we do star star, then we put a dot and a this and a star. That's going to show us all the files that are also hidden. Interesting. So this oh right, I'm sorry, we forgot to say file. Nice. And so what if we say so now we can also go, I think they suggested that find was the best. So let's say that we want to go find. Let's change this command from find, and that finds everything. But now let's say not, and then flag executable. 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 Am I just dumb? Non-executable. Sorry, I'm having a bit of a stroke here. Executable. I thought that that was acceptable. Executable. Anyways, we're gonna go find, say dash size, and what we want to put here is 1033C. I guess we want to remove the negation. Interesting. I thought that size was a valid command. I did take some notes here. Yeah, we did all of this. Find. Did do a grep, sorry. That's how we do file sizes, but we don't really want to do that. Yeah, look at this. Find executable. Okay, so something's wrong here. We're gonna say, let's run that initial command we had for just find everything. Nice. So now what if we say find, and here we're gonna say readable. We switch the order. Okay, maybe the flags go afterward. Okay, so that gives us all the sizes. Human readable, we're gonna also add not executable. Nice, so that gives us far fewer files. And what we want to do is we want to pipe all of this into Alps. Gives us all of that. So what were we using before? Not into ls. Let's pipe it into file. Usage extension. Wait, ls. Wouldn't this give us like the file type? Kind of strange. So what if we went file and then we went we did before instead of find file. Let me see what's gonna happen here. Boom. Let's pipe this into grep where we just want ASCII. Then we pipe this into find. And what we want to do here is we want to say dash size 1033C. Will that work? File 2. There it is, baby. Let's go. Alright, so that's close enough. I know that it's this one. Yeah, we should definitely get better. I'm gonna see what the actual proper solution was in a second. But we can oh, that's dumb. Wait, we wanna oh, I probably lost the password too. Oh, that's so dumb. I genuinely have to do all of this again. I genuinely have to do all of that again because I never saved the password. Oh, my friends, that was dumb. Let's see if any of these make sense. Let's go to like advanced 5, I think. I was on 5. The passwords probably change every day. Yeah, that's wrong. Go to advanced 4. Sorry, we're gonna say advanced 4. Oh, what a fucking time. I lost all the progress. Let's paste that in. I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, that's wrong. All right, advanced 0. Oh, sorry. It is bandit 0. Cat readme. My bad friends. Exit. Advance 1. Paste this shit in. You know what? We're gonna go pass 1. We're gonna stop being idiots. We're gonna say ls cat dot home. Yeah, so I guess version control is something that's important. We're gonna exit advance 2, I guess. At least we didn't go that far. Actually, oh, hello, mystery viewer. How are you? I just made a bunch of progress and then lost everything. So ls, well, actually, it's going to be in the hidden, if I remember correctly. It's going to be cat. Sorry, it's here. ls. Oh yeah, it's going to be cat there. Cool. You want password number 3. All right, that was dumb. Exit. What are we doing now? We're saying advance to 4. Paste this in. Go. You want to go. Oh, shit, dude. Advance 3. ls. Right, so we're gonna do cat in here dot hidden. All right, pass 4. Exit advance to 4. I knew we were making too much progress. What's this one? ls cd in here ls. Okay, so this is just that. What do we have to do here again? We're gonna say the file type of anything, whether it's hidden or not, in our subdirectories, and it's that one. So we're gonna cat in here dash file 07 tweet pass 5. Amazing. We're gonna exit. We're gonna advance to 5. Now this one, let's do this correctly again. So it's human readable, blah 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 blah. What did we do here? We actually ran a find. So we ran. Oh, bad. Advance 5. Paste this shit in. Okay, nice. And we're gonna run a find, as always, on everything, whether, I think we could just say find star, where we want dash read abla, then we want size is 1033c, and let's confirm. Okay, so that's already our file. You don't have to grep. Let's get rid of the readable, because that feels... Okay, well, then it's just the only one. So we're gonna cat this file. Sorry, I live on a very busy street. Loud as fuck all the time. Okay, so here's my file. Pass 6. Unless that was a red herring. This somehow feels like a red herring. Advance 6. Paste this in. Nope, that was right. Okay, let's go look what they suggest. We're gonna say bandit 5. Right, they want... What do they want here? Okay, yeah, what did they do here? They did... That's too many. File.star. Yeah, okay, cool. So I guess they're off by 1 index. They've got an off by 1 error. I'm gonna go for some coffee real quick. We are on level 6 now. That's 20 minutes to get progress. Actually, my headache's gone. Cheers. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, reviewer. I hope you are well. Past 7, that's something we're about to fucking find out, isn't it, eh? Alright, level 6. Okay, owned by Bandit 7. The password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server. So first of all, we go ls. Okay, I guess they're all hidden. ls minus alps. Sweet. So we got bash src, bash.profile. Interesting. What if we say file star? File star dot boom star. So, okay. That's unhappy with me. What if we go file dat bash rc? It's an ASCII text. They said, what did they do here? They said file dot, yeah, okay, we're being a bit dumb. Let's go file dot star. Okay, so we just have ASCII type bash files. So bash logout. Let's just go see what's, guess we can't see it. Interesting. Interesting. This feels like a file type, no? ls alps. Alright, we're gonna try this. So we're gonna say shell find owner of file. Accept all cookies. And honestly, yeah, I should make an account so we dark mode on this. Let's just go sign up with the Googs. Go, yeah. Right. All of this because we want dark mode. When do we want it? Now. When do we want dark mode? When do we want it? Now. Where's your profile here? I'm gonna pop this in a bigger window to try to figure, maybe edit profile. There must be like a Stack Exchange dark mode. Oh shit. I guess it might, how do I enable? Maybe Stack Overflow is the only one with dark. Alright. Oh well. Okay. Lat LST LAT. This gives us okay, no, this guy's wrong. Also, we had like a super good resource that showed us how yeah, explain shell. Let me look at this again quickly. Yeah, ls alps. Size, indicator style dash. Do not ignore entity starting with dot. Okay, and how to read results of ls? Yeah, how do we, dude, I just accepted the cookie. Fuck. Well, yes, the third column. Yeah, let's go. Okay, first column, permission of the file. Okay, and we're gonna go deeper into that. You want all of this. ls command. Alright, first column. Go back to here. First column shows us the permissions of the file. Cool. Second column, number of links to the file. Interesting. I don't know. owner of the file, root. Fourth column, the group that owns the file. Fifth column, the size of the file in bytes. When the file was last modified. The name of the file, and I guess, oh, okay, I guess this, like, so none of them seem to be owned by Bandit 7. Find the correct and readable, yeah. Okay. Owned by Group Bandit 6. 33. Feel like I'm missing fucking files. Maybe. Feels like it would be more straightforward. Find the file, but that's explain this. Explain it to me. Go. Play file or file system status. Stat option file. Stat star. Stat dot star. Ooh. That's pretty cool. Let's see what we just did here. lslat stat dot star file blocks directory access root. We don't have anything on. That's a cool one as well. We'll say that, and then we'll say file, and then we'll say, yeah, I don't think we need shit else. Status file. Alright, so I don't know. I'm gonna cheat. Hopefully I this much. Sure. I'm gonna figure this out. Glance at it. File permissions, ownership. But we did that, right? That's what we. What did I Google? Owned by user Bandit 7. Owned by group Bandit 6. Okay, so what the fuck? We introduced to the big topic of Linux file permissions, specifically to the area of ownership. Each, okay, you can see. I don't think that's true. Fuck. Okay, so let's go cd/var. Then we're gonna go cd lib d dpj d info ls-l. Okay, so why would this just the find command? Okay, yeah, but how was I supposed to know? What's the significance of this? How was I supposed to know that I was supposed to go into here? We are gonna go for good friend, very good friend, Mr. I am doing the OverTheWire bandit challenge on level 6. They jumped to this file. What is the significance of this file? And why would I have known that I should be looking here? In Linux 6, you're likely expected to use your knowledge of the Linux files. Okay, so I guess you were supposed to install packages called the Bandit Challenge. What the Bandit Challenge is. Each package installed on the system corresponding control file in the directory. You know what I'm thinking about? Wait, let me go cd dot 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 ls. Oh shit, and I think there's a reset. I think I fucked it up. I think I went too far. Yeah, so maybe that's what I messed up. So let's exit out of here. We're gonna say advance to 6. We're gonna paste this in. And I think I was being a bit of a wanker. Where I was doing like, oh, there's nothing in here. Print working directory. I'm in home bandit 6. But I should have been less of a little. Oh, yo, what? This gives me so much more power. Why did I not think of this? What is going on here? Let's go into bandit 0. Wait, but if you do that, you can just go to whatever. Oh, okay. Interesting. They're like I just feel like I have so much more power now. CD dot dot into bandit 7. Boom, and I'm just in here. Oh, interesting. But maybe I'll be able to. Was I able to. Was I able to. Oh, okay. So they did this. Can't I do like chmod? What is it? Like change permission file shell. Chmod. Here we go. Boom. We're gonna paste this shit in. And we're gonna say readme. Okay. So everything is Gucci. So this is inside of the home. Go here. Should have a bunch of shit. Now, what I'm curious about is like, how do I search by owner? Shell search file by owner. By particular group. All right, look at this. Owned by group bandit 6. Guess we have a dash group. What is name? The file name or a search path? Find star boom anything, boom, 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 star, do dot, group, okay, so that's a lot of files. So all of that shit is owned by Bandit 6. What if I say dash user Bandit 7? And then what if I do this and then pipe that into grep and then say where I want the inverse of guide. Yo, fuck you. Guess maybe I don't need quotes on this shit. I wonder why I couldn't grep on that. So we did find, and let's say I want to find where the user is meow wolf. Nobody. Okay, so we did find that, but they give us a fuck ton of files. But why? The most random shit, like. Wait, something else I'm curious about. Let's do a grep. I want to search for meow. So why is my greppy boy? Why does my greppy boy not give a shit? Right? It's like piping into grep. By the way, the file I am supposed to look for is varlib ek. I feel like that was it though. Right, should have been varlib Amazon. Varlib and be like here crash. Search in here. I don't get it, my friend. Okay, so first of all, let's cd into all of this shit. Let's see. Paste. Now we're gonna go ls minus l, and we get a shit ton of these. But we are now gonna run our friggin' find. Let's go for just star, dude. Okay, so we can find that. Oh, interesting. So we do end up getting bandit7.password. Okay, wait, solution. Find anything. Oh yeah, okay, so he is doing the same thing. He's using a big ass find on a type of F. One second, I'm gonna text my friend because I think he'll be super happy. All right. Let's see if yeah, he is doing a find. Type F. Fuck, what was type F again? And he pipes the output. I don't think he does this. I don't know what this. Yeah, he's done with that. What was our instructions were? Okay, we were 33 size in bytes. Okay, yeah. So actually, let's go back where we were. I wasn't supposed to know this. CD dot 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 ls, and we're inside of here. All right, so my initial approach was actually fairly decent. What I was trying to do with my big ass find, look for the user, look for the. I forgot to do size of 33 bytes. That should have definitely. Did it do? No, it gave way fewer files. Mission denied for. I guess these are just warnings. I guess maybe that's what's happening here, that I'm not actually, it's not, how do I suppress mission denied find? Yeah. I think they're just messages. Oh, and that's what this shit is. Use find boom, and what we're doing here is this hides not just permission denied errors, but of course all errors. You really want to keep other possible errors. We'll get to this point. Definitely useful. And we're gonna put this here. We're gonna say high suppress errors. We're gonna suppress our errors here. And I guess maybe I should text the link. My friend always wanted me to learn. My friend always wanted me to learn Shell. I think happy to see that that's how I'm spending my Fridays. All right, so we're here. By the way, we're gonna move our little password block a little lower. All right. So this is what we're doing. And what is this files and folders? I want to try without this. What is this files and folders? I think I want this guy to explain this to me. Let's see our little shell explainer shall explain us. Mystery viewer, I hope you're as hyped as I am. Slowly starting to get it. Alright, so try this again. Do this. Now we say to boom, and we want to go to dev. Lost my shit. /dev /null. And I think this means just fucking don't show me the errors. Oh, yo. Okay, so I had it right the first time. I just did. the mistake I was making was I thought I was getting all of these files, but they were just warnings, and that's why I was unable to grep on that shit, because I was just grabbing the warnings. Sweet. So there we go. What does the solution here say? Same thing as we were thinking, just group user size 33, and we get this. All right, I genuinely feel like I solved that one myself. Like, well, I mean, using the help of Google. So, I guess that's an arbitrary line to draw. It's like the Mormons, who are like everything before 18, whatever, good, and everything afterwards bad. I feel like for me, it's like anything before straight up just ChatGPT. I'm like, that's good. I did this myself. Whipped out, got dressed. I went to the library, sat down, flipped open my laptop, and I Googled this like a real man. All right. Well, I'm really happy about this. This is good progress. We want to cat our boy. Let's go. Let's go for the little meow meow here. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right. Holy shit. Sweet. Past 7. We don't want to fuck this up again. We also want to save that because I wasn't saving shit. Right, we're an hour in. Well, sorry, we're 45 minutes in. I actually scheduled my streams for the first time. I said I will be here Fridays and Mondays at 8 p.m. because I realized if I do want to grow a community, I do need some sort of schedule. I know about the like parasocial relationship of this. I actually started streaming because I was into Gunner TV, the YouTuber, but because of him, I ended up going to his streams. And then his whole thing was like I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. And I started like building my schedule around that. I got so excited to come home and just toss Gunner on, and he would talk about absolutely nothing. He would watch bad reality TV shows and stuff. But I developed such a parasocial relationship where I was like super excited. But he kept skipping streams, and funny enough, it's surfaced that he came from a well-off family, and so I guess one day he skipped stream, and I'm like, oh, okay, well, he doesn't need to do this. He's like fine by himself. Like he's not uh, doing this for himself. Like he doesn't care about us. And then I stopped watching that day. Very weird. And so I experienced the parasocial aspect of it from personal perspective. We are gonna advance 7, right? And we're gonna paste our friend in. All right. We're actually doing some cool shit now. Level 6 through level 7, we did that. Password for the next level is stored in the data in the next millionth. Well, that's pretty easy, huh? Just say grep data. No, I think data goes last. A millionth. Fuck. The last chapter is so much harder. I guess maybe if you don't know grep. Grep. Exit. Advance 8. Weird. What did this guy say? Grep? Yeah, that's it. We were fucking on it. It's stored in the file, but it's the only line that appears only twice. That's almost like we need to do That's interesting. Count the. That's interesting. Let's look at this. Let's go for a head dot data because I don't know how big it is. Okay, there. So we'll say shell count count why am I blanking on count occurrences string. I'm not gonna read this. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be this fancy. We'll only output the matches. But we don't know what the needle is. Word count minus line. One. I guess what is he doing? Like a cat? Piping the output into sort organizes the output into alphabetical numeral. Requirement is because unique only matches on repeated lines. Oh, clever. That is pretty fucking clever. So we're doing cat of data. We're piping that into sort. And let's just say head. Okay. And instead of that, say unique. Now we say dash C. I'm assuming it's the one. Go past 9. Right, and let's actually confirm that it appears twice. So we're gonna say cat. No, sorry, we're gonna say grep. And we want to search for this bad boy in data. It only appears once, my guy. I don't like that. Don't like that. Did I do a head or something by accident? Sort unique strings base 64 gzip. Really feel like it's that one, but go for what if I tried to look for this one? Do I get 10 rows? I get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I get all 10? Rest of these bad boys. Look, it says like this appears twice. there? Oh, maybe do like dash E. Wonder why this is just like hidden. Maybe, yeah, maybe this is like a long ass line or something. Or wrap our friend in quotes. So I feel like that's it, but is that right? No, it's not. Okay, so I mean we have the password, let's just check. We're gonna exit, gonna advance to 9, gonna paste it in. Is the right password. What did this guy say? Unique EU. What is the U flag? Oh, right. And I haven't been fucking. Should I have been taking notes? Did I learn anything in level? No, that was just straight up crap. We didn't learn shit. Alright, so that was correct. Sort. I mean, sorts. Um, unique. Returns only unique. Well, we're actually gonna go to our shell helper. The unique dash C. Unique dash C. Report or omit repeated lines. Okay. Omit repeated lines. Has a dash C flag. Count occurrences. 6 lines, but the number of occurrences. Only print unique lines. Only print lines. This guy did what? Said unique 2 and it just printed that. Yeah, I guess so. We didn't need to cat at the beginning. Okay. The password for the next level is stored in the data.t in one of the human read by several characters. Do we know how many? How do we know which strings are human? Because I mean, it's not like we're gonna do head. So actually, let's see how big these. We're gonna say data.txt word count minus L. What word count minus L data.txt. Oh, it's only 60. You can just look at data. Whoa. So obviously we want to grep for an equal sign. This shit crash. We want to grep for an equal sign, one or more, in data.txt. Binary file matches. Do you not grep? Oh, interesting. But dash A gives you like the next line, right? But capital A. Okay. Dash A. Whoa. All right. Okay, we see 7 and all that shit. Go for the same thing. What was it? Dash O? Maybe like the next line thing is in one line. Definitely this, but not the biggest fan of that. That file was massive. What would I do? What if this shit was way bigger? Say grep return next 5 characters. Because lines I know how to do. No, next 5 lines is capital A. Yeah, this is what I want. Yes. Time for awk. What was I keep forgetting what grep dash e. Fuck all of this. I mean, we did solve it. Wait. Grep. Oh, I want to do grep next n character. Must be a thing. Yeah. Grep minus whoa. Grep minus capital P. Perl regex. Right, and so going for Perl regex. Try that. Data.txt. And what we want here, we want to say minus P. Go for a nice Perly boy. Thing of 0 to 3. String dot 0 through 4. Thinks it's go for a little dash O. Dash O. What if we grep our grep? That works. Grep. We grep and we write that shit again. Minus capital P dot 0 through 3 string dot 0 through 4. dash O. Oh, yeah, what the fuck? I'm dumb. Yeah, my friends, dumb. Interested in, here's our match pattern of data.txt, right? And what we want to do, 10? This, what if I changed here? That's a pretty deep, I want to understand, I'm gonna go to our playing this Perl regex to, oh, we don't want, yeah, I'm dumb, I know exactly what this, we actually don't give a shit. We want the pattern to start with this, right? And then we want up to 50 characters. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I think that's way better. What are the strings? And finds human files. Ooh, even better. So strings data.txt, big ass thing. Okay, so nice. We're gonna say strings finds human readable in data.txt. Even better. But we learned something where we did rep dash minus p. We're gonna say dot boom. We want 10 of 0, 3. And I do think we want a dot here. That's it, right? What was our pattern? Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. 3D modifier and then anything that's blah blah blah. And it's only gonna give it. All right. Got our. Was that the password? What is the password? What was it? Exit. Advance to level 10. Let's go, baby. Did I just do like sound bites of wisdom? You know, in between chapters. I'm curious how my net quality has been. Have I been on one stream this whole time, or has it? Yeah, knock on wood, but my camera has not cut out. Set at 8:30. Curious to see what that's gonna look like. Right, what are we like 1/3? Close. One more level, I think. 2 more levels, and we're gonna be 1/3. But I'm definitely having fun. Definitely learning. That makes my background. that. The stream looks more professional. Like I'm gonna fry my eyeballs with a light. There's that whole notion about like, hey, you should shelter your eyes from blue light. Our streamers like on the front lines for us, blasting streamer lights into their eyes for the sake of our entertainment. Is that what's going on? Okay, so means cheese in Spanish. That's trying to hang out with us. All right, the password contains base 64 encoded data. Rep sort unique strings tar z. Probably not yet. Jordan, let's check this shit. So we're gonna do word count minus L data. Quick. One big ass line, I guess. Head data. Cool. So what happens if we base 64 D? Okay, yeah. Yeah, so I think this is gonna be an easy chapter. Shell base based code. I assume it's just a function, right? Yeah, base 64 dash D. So we're gonna say base 64 dash decode data.txt. That was a pretty easy chapter. Right, my eyes like in. That just might not be worth it. It like immediately gave me a headache. I'm bright enough. But actually, yeah, that's shitty. That make. Then I'm lit. Out of the way. For any programmers out there. Fuck my chair up. We're back. Cool. We got past 11. Exit. And what we want to do here is we want to advance to 11. We're going to paste this in. Nice. We're going to paste this in and we're going to do level 11. Level 11, level 11. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt for all the lowercase and uppercase been rotated by fuck does that mean? Uh, head data. Been rotated by 13. All the lowercase and uppercase letters have been rotated. Go for that. Let's go shell rotate. First one, third. So I'm gonna cheat on this one. I'm gonna cheat on this. We are doing this. Why would we? This one seems so fucking stupid. A substitute wafers time. Yeah. Done. No more attempts. Substitution means replacing one character with another. Yes. Stands for translate, allows our previous characters others. We are old characters, we are new characters. I'm gonna drop this down here. We're gonna move our password list lower. We're gonna save. I should do some coding tomorrow. Realizing my GitHub's probably looking empty last few. Yeah. Wow. Okay, nice. There are lots of websites that offer root 13 encryption, but sadly there's no built root 13 command. Our command for substitution. A through N. Characters. What the fuck? I'm trying to wonder like what reality. So right, we're saying A to Z rotated with that and get rotated. Right? A to Z, all characters. Oh, and rotated 13 positions. It's like rotated from the middle, I guess technically. Why? And you're that. No, I don't know. I did find this, right? This feels so arbitrary. This feels very arbitrary. Are there actual real life where text is rotated by 30 positions? Okay, so it does exist. Okay. Not that. So shell rot 13. Boom. do that, I feel like I can just fucking cat data type this in, paste. So annoying. So we're gonna say cat data tr a and then a3, and the rotation here is n z a m n dash z a m. My next door neighbor's so weird. Just like chill girl. I'm assuming she might be once in a while. Apartment just crazy. Like the worst music. Yo, shit. You don't match. I'd expect her to listen to like Bo Burnham, Ed Sheeran. Fuck that shit. Fuck this. Not doing the walkthrough. Actually, we'll probably do a full walkthrough when we're done. Because I like this for your stay. Alright. Rot 13 is like a real thing. Alright, and we should have set that alias, but we didn't. But who gives a shit about the alias? Because the alias from outside this. Rotated 13 positions. They should be more clear the fact that it happens often. Anyways, I am but a student. On some watch. Ever since I told maybe it's all a ruse to keep me off the streets, programming shell instead. Or a bot. Well, whether you're not, whether you are or aren't a bot. Thank you. Alright. The password for the next level is stored in data.txt, which is a hex dump of a file that has been repeatedly compressed. Level of baby directory under tmp work. Make dir the hard guest directory name. Better the command make temporary dash d, copy the details. So let's go to cd/tmp and OLS. So I guess we can't see that shit. And I think I should go to home and bandit. What are we on? 12? So we're gonna md temp /d m temp. Oh, that's right. I want mk temp/d. Then copy the data file, use name it fuck they're talking about. Well, I mean, I know what, but which file am I copying? Why am I? Into I mean, I'm kind of wondering. Oh, I guess probably I know why. We're actually gonna copy this, get it over here, and we're gonna say touch. Oh, might be clippable. Permissions denied to touch me on good to know. Okay, so yeah, the reason we did that shit is because we need a directory to operate in. Now we made ourselves a little TMP boy. There we go. We made it. We should have permissions. So we want a CP of tilde data.txt into the current directory. And we're here. We're gonna move data to another file called hex dump data cool ls, and then we're gonna head. All right, it's all right, xxd. All right, we're going crazy. Going crazy. Therefore, we revert the hex dump and get the actual data. All right, now this is looking like some real shit here at this point. Let's do that. Vert hex dump. Now, if you want to output x's minus r option, dump output as. So let's try what this guy says. It says, right, we're gonna. We have our hex dump, right? What we want to do here is we want to xxd hex dump. Boom. That didn't fucking do anything. Now where's our. I'll explain. xxd plus. Well, xxd minus r. Make a hex vert. Hex dump into a binary. That's what we want to do here, baby. It was, and we're gonna dump that shit. Boom. Now we've got some crazy ass looking stuff. Now, what was our. Gonna pipe this into strings. Oh shit, dude. Data2.bin. That's interesting. What is data2.bin? Were we assholes and didn't see that there was a secret to data2? Data2.bin. So we did learn some shit. is XXD is make a hex dump. Bro, if I stream for any longer, I'm gonna dump. Turn for the reverser. Alright, so we have this. Something here seems sauce. Use make dir hard copy blah 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 blah. I almost feel like we're gonna copy this quick. And we're gonna we're gonna go tilde. We're gonna do ls minus alps. Guess we want to go search. Let's go search for a file has the name. Search for a file that has the name data.bin. And I guess we want to say find. And we want to suppress our errors, and we want to put that in null or dev/null. There's no file called data2. Is that right? Cheat time? Christ. Needs so much more sudden. Did this, right? Dumped everything. Alright, so let's go back into our area here. We're gonna ls. Did all that. We're gonna go xxd minus r x dump data, and we're gonna put this into rest data. Nice. And so now we have two. It's gonna give us our head. Right, and let's go actually. Right. Hex was actually even easier to read. Which I mean, to me, they both look like fucking what is the name of this format? Why does Oreo claim that to also what is the assume this is like the hex dump? How could I how can I look at know which form which the offset? One I have one F oh yeah, one F 8. Oh, I get it. What is of pressing 1F format? Format is called hexadecimal. Ever see 1/8 1F XXD? Cool. 1/8 FB. This shit's called that's the escape seek. I'm gonna do list of signatures, but I think I might code tomorrow automatic. What am I looking at? Hour 43. Having fun, my friend. Alright, so cool. Learned some since we see the magic letters of 1/8 FB, we're gonna move it because we know we're gonna move compressed data to compressed data dot right now. Made our friend. And homeboy's red, but I assume it's fine. And we want to g zip minus d come dg zip. And ls that strips the g. That's why we had to do that. Otherwise, we'd probably have a fucking error. I think we've where's our friend? He's the minus d. Yeah, so that's minus d. Otherwise, that would have compressed. Well, I assume we now want to go. Now we do have this, but we want to do a hex dump, not a reverse hex. Terminal's pissing me off right now. We want to do a hex dump of s data hex of the data, and we want to do the head. And so we have 4, 2,